Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I feel like I'm a bit out of place because I'm not going to talk about an African story. I'm going to talk about the Yukon. So just quick summary of Victoria. I think we're unusual as a junior in that we have a fully permitted asset in a safe jurisdiction that'll produce over 200,000 ounces of gold per year. Probably by 2019, and I'll talk a little more about that in a minute. I think we have a video that I'm going to show here that gives you a good sense of what we plan to build and what the asset is.
Victoria Gold's Eagle Gold Project is a proposed, fully permitted, in-valley heap gold project to be the largest gold mine in Yukon history. The Eagle Gold Project is located in central Yukon, which is recognized as a safe mining jurisdiction. The deposit lies within the Tintina Gold Belt and is located approximately 85 kilometers by road north-northeast from the village of Mayo and about 400 kilometers north of the capital city of Whitehorse. The project is well supported by local infrastructure, including an existing construction camp, an all-weather access road, is near grid power, and an airstrip 40 kilometers to the south. The Eagle Gold Project is fully permitted. The feasibility study and environmental assessment process are complete. All major permits are in hand, and a comprehensive cooperation benefits agreement with the First Nation of the Nacho-Nayak-Dun is in place. Initial construction and pre-stripping costs are estimated at $288 million. Construction of the mine will take approximately 1 year. During operations, the mine will be a significant economic contributor to the Yukon, employing 350 to 400 people. The Eagle Gold resource runs in an east-west direction for over 1,050 meters and to a depth of 475 meters. Combined proven and probable reserve totals 2.7 million ounces of gold. The mineralization of the deposit is open along strike and at depth. The proposed Eagle Gold mine is a technically straightforward, low-cost, open-pit mine with a 3-stage crush, in-valley heap, and gold recovery plant with a 10-plus year mine life. When complete, the open pit will be 1,300 meters long by 440 meters wide and a depth of 475 meters. In the open pit, following blasting, rock not hosting gold will be hauled to a waste rock storage facility. Run-of-mine ore will be hauled to the primary heap facility. By taking advantage of trucking run-of-ore mine to the primary heap facility, the strip ratio is 0.8 to 1. Higher grade gold-bearing ore is hauled to the primary crusher and then conveyed onward to the secondary and tertiary crushers. Once crushed to approximately 6.5 millimeters, the gold-bearing ore is conveyed to the primary heap facility that has a double-line pad installed to contain the gold-bearing solution. The primary heap facility will be constructed in 3 phases, starting from the lower portion of the valley and progressing upwards. The primary heap facility is comprised of a solution sump, piping, leak detection and recovery, and monitoring systems. Mobile stackers will stack the crushed ore in 10-meter lifts, with solution emitters installed approximately 1 meter beneath the surface for frost protection. Gravity draws the solution downwards as it releases and absorbs the gold. The pregnant or gold-bearing solution collects into wells and is pumped to the gold recovery plant. In the gold recovery plant, the gold is removed from the solution, smelted, and poured into doré bars. The solution, which no longer contains gold, is recycled and pumped back to the primary heap facility to repeat the process. Over the 10-year life of mine, the Eagle mine will produce 1.7 million ounces of gold at an average of approximately 200,000 ounces per year. The project's economics are robust and will generate an after-tax net present value of approximately $508 million, with a capital payback period of 2.8 years. Mining will process 33,700 tons of ore per day, equating to 12.3 million tons per year and 123 million tons over the life of the mine. Additionally, the mine plan benefits from a favorable strip ratio of 0.95 to 1. The 2016 feasibility study includes the addition of a satellite deposit, Olive, located approximately 2 kilometers from Eagle. In Year 7, crushed ore will be conveyed to the secondary heap facility near Olive. In Year 9, a higher-grade open pit at Olive will come into production, with all Olive ore to be processed on the secondary heap facility. With changing economics, there is potential to extend the mine life at Eagle for an additional 6 to 10 years. There is also potential to increase production with the expansion of the Olive Shamrock Zone. In addition to the Eagle deposit and the Olive Shamrock Zone, the large Dublin Gulch property hosts a number of high-quality exploration targets that lie along the Potato Hills Trend, a 13 by 3 kilometer known trend of significant mineralization. Victoria Gold also holds additional claim blocks nearby, including on the adjacent VBW property. Victoria Gold's strong and experienced board of directors and solid management team with mine-building know-how are focused on bringing the Eagle Gold project into production. Victoria Gold trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the symbol VIT.
I think you'll agree that does a pretty good job. If you don't believe my BS, we also enjoy good coverage by banks and analysts, and we're currently trading at about 45 cents, and as you can see, most analysts have a dollar target on us, so it's a good opportunity right now. Just some shots of exploration, detailed engineering, some of the construction we're doing right now. And I'll just let you read this yourself. I don't need to try and convince you. There's a great opportunity with Victoria right now. Thank you very much.